Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the band on your Apple Watch. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. To change the Apple Watch band, all you have to do is flip the watch over and there's a little button in the back. Press and hold that button and slide the band out. And to put the new band or replace the band, all you have to do is slide it back in there and it locks itself. And let me show you the button that I'm talking about. So press and hold that little button in the back, slide it out, and that's the little button that I'm talking about. So you press and hold this button to replace the Apple Watch band. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.